Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for Christmas butter cookies. So let's get started.
Only very few ingredients. We need 1 2/3 cup or 200 grams of flour, half cup or 100 grams of sugar, a pinch of salt, half a cup or 125 grams of butter, half a teaspoon vanilla extract or 1 1/2 teaspoons vanilla sugar, about a 1/4 cup or 4 tablespoons of milk for consistency, about 100 grams of chocolate for dipping, sprinkles as desired. First, I cream the butter and sugar together. Add salt, vanilla, and flour. Slowly add the milk, about a tablespoon at a time, until the dough comes together as a very soft, pliable dough. Put the dough into a piping bag with a large open star tip. Pipe rosettes onto a lined baking sheet. Rosettes are simply starting in the middle and circling around it 1 1/2 times. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. Allow the cookies to cool completely and dip one side into melted chocolate. Immediately sprinkle with sprinkles. Make sure to lay them on a surface lined with baking paper or, in my case, a silicone mat. Allow the chocolate to set. If you have tempered it properly, then it should set up in half an hour to 3 hours. These cookies are gorgeous. I love the chocolate and the sprinkles. The cookies themselves are soft and taste strongly of vanilla, but they're just so pretty. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for more recipes.